Guys, today we got some things to do on Herbie, so let's get to it. First, we gotta clean the windows. Thing on the list is to clean out the front. Let's get to it. Now that is done, so let's cut out a piece of rubber for the bottom. Here I have a 27 by 27 inch square, and I'm going to cut out the corners so that it'll be a nice rubber circle. Now we got the rubber all cut out and it should be good. As you can see here, the heater box, the clamp right here came off of this other part of the exhaust. So let's put it back on. Now it's all hooked up. See all this rust on the rim? Now we're gonna clean that all off of all 4 rims. The rims are looking way better. That's gonna be it for today. Stay tuned.